How to find proxy settings on Spotify PC, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find proxy settings. First open your Spotify. Now click on your profile here in top corner, and once you're here click settings, and now scroll down, scroll until you find this one, proxy settings, and here you can manage proxy type, host, port, username and password, and that's it. Just manage anything you want here and then go back. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.